So, a skill. Above all, of course, this is not my story. Yeah? I adapted it to make it a little bit more interesting, but it can be told in many different ways, and it's a very old story. It can be adapted and varied. So above all, storytelling is a skill to be experienced and worked on practically. Just as you can't learn to swim by reading a book, the only way to improve as a storyteller is to tell lots of stories. But how do you choose the stories? What do you tell? How do you use materials? I brought lots of realia here. Some of the realia is going to be used. Some of them is just to show you, like, different things that you can use to aid you in your storytelling. First, believe in the tale that you're going to tell. If you don't like the book, it's not really, it's not good to force it. You have to, get something that you like, that you're familiar with, that you feel comfortable with, that, I don't know, that has an appeal to you in some way. Choose stories which you enjoy. Maybe you have stories from your childhood. They don't even have to be books. We can tell stories that are passed on from generation to generation. Maybe you have an interesting story of something that happened to you, and you want to bring that to the classroom to share with your students or your teachers. Don't learn them by heart. It loses interest. It becomes mechanical, and it shouldn't be mechanical. It should be done with love, with giving, with dedication. Telling a story implies a listener. So remember that there's someone that's going to be listening to your story. And maybe put yourself in their shoes. Is it going to be interesting? What am I going to do to make it more appealing, to make it more magical, to make it more fun? Beware of literary temptation. Don't overload. Keep it simple. It doesn't have to be complicated and full of grammar structures and complicated words. It can be simple. Mistakes are natural, so just improvise. It's okay. First line, last line. It's like a kind of a technique. If you remember the beginning and the end, it will give you more confidence to keep on going. So yeah, once upon a time, and then in the end, they all lived happily ever after. So if you remember the beginning and the end, it makes your job easier and you get more confidence. Golden rule: never use a copy of the text in front of you. You focus on the listener, not on the book. So you have to learn the story before you start telling it. It's not that you can't read a book, but reading from a book is not necessarily storytelling. It's just reading.